In the heart of every soldier lies a fierce dedication. A dedication not just to their country, but to their families, to the bright smiles of their children and the comforting embrace of their spouses. This is what drives a soldier to rise before the sun, to lace up their boots and put on a uniform that signifies their commitment to a cause greater than themselves. Upwards recognizes this dedication, this unwavering love. That's why we support the U.S. Army Reserve and National Guard by offering no-cost childcare that is accessible, high quality, and flexible during drill or training, battle assemblies, and emergency deployments. Upwards simplifies the childcare process for military families by providing easy access to licensed childcare providers without paperwork or waitlists. Our dedicated care managers guide service members through enrollment and customize care to their drill needs. Even when training schedules change last minute, your children will be cared for, nurtured, and supported while you serve the nation. This is more than just childcare. It's a commitment to our heroes and their families. It's an acknowledgement of their sacrifice. In every battle won, in every mission completed, we see a parent, a spouse, a family. Upwards stands with you. Sign up now at upwards.com/benefits/military and get accessible, reliable childcare at no cost for eligible families, designed specifically for the brave women and men who serve our country, for your family, for their future, for our nation.